Manchester High is represented by Jalissa Tracy, Stefan Smart, Kimarley Ferguson, and Matthew Dunkley. Victor Dixon High is represented by Sheena Michaela, Morike Senior, Kyle Grant, and Gabriella Davis. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello everyone, and welcome to round one of TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz 2025. I'm your host, Marlene Stevenson Daly. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, the temperament to move to the next round? Well, this is the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss and Victor Dixon High won. They decided to go first. And so we begin with Victor Dixon High. Now this section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's get the time on the clock. Victor Dixon, we begin with Bible knowledge. Which Old Testament patriarch was thrown into the lion's den?
Daniel.
Correct. Manchester High, Bible knowledge. Which Old Testament book tells the story of a Jewish queen who saved her people from destruction?
Esther.
Correct. International affairs for Victor Dixon. Look at the monitor, identify which country's flag is displayed.
Turkey.
Incorrect. Pakistan. International affairs for Manchester High. Look at the monitor, identify which country's flag is displayed.
Liberia.
Correct. Biology for Victor Dixon. In the root, what is water entering the xylem without crossing the cell membrane called?
Osmosis.
Incorrect. Apoplast. Biology for Manchester High. What is the name for the membranous channels that allow for the transport of nutrients, signals, and other molecules between plant cells?
Between plant cells. Companion cells.
Incorrect. Plasmodesmata. English language for Victor Dixon. Which 6-letter verb, starting with I, means to call into question or to dispute someone's honesty?
Inquire.
Incorrect. Impugn. English language, Manchester High. Which 8-letter adjective, starting with O, means stubborn refusal?
Obstinate.
Incorrect. Obdurate. Music for Victor Dixon. Listen to this clip. Give the title of the song.
We are the world.
Correct. Music, Manchester High. Listen to the clip and give the title of the song.
Title. End of the issue? End of the road. End of the road.
Correct. Victor Dixon, general knowledge. Which currency preceded the euro in Italy?
US dollar.
Incorrect. The lira. General knowledge for Manchester High. What was the official currency of the Netherlands from around 1517 until 2002?
Well, Gilder.
Correct. Theatre and cinema for Victor Dixon. Look at the monitor. Identify this actress, please. And the time has expired. Manchester High, you get an opportunity to answer.
Maggie Jones.
Incorrect. Estelle Getty. And theatre and cinema for Manchester High. Look at the monitor and identify this actor.
Darry Cole.
Incorrect. Sherman Hemsley. Geography for Victor Dixon. What is the name of the imaginary line running between the North and South poles that used to indicate 0 degrees longitude?
Meridian.
Correct. And geography for Manchester High. What is the name for lines on a map that represent points of equal elevation above a reference point?
Contour lines.
Contour lines.
Correct. Sports for Victor Dixon. Look at the monitor, identify this person. And that too will go to Manchester, having had no answer.
Jesse Jones.
Jesse Jones.
Incorrect. Jesse Owen. And sports for Manchester High. Look at the monitor, identify this person.
Christian Coleman. Christian Coleman.
Christian Coleman.
Incorrect. Carl Lewis. And that's the bell. That's the end of the opening challenge, and the scores are Manchester High on 5 and Victor Dixon High on 3. When we come back, it'll be time for the speed challenge. Schools Challenge Quiz 56 returns right after these messages.